Keyboards. There's two reasons why people lose money on keyboards in 2026. Reason number one is the hype tax, and reason number two is slow resets in FPS. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Moses, welcome back to Dual Core Bros. And today we're gonna review the MCHOSE A68. So this is the final boss budget keyboard, or is it just marketing? So let's find out today.
Before we get technical, watch this. This is the same movement input, but look at how fast the key resets with rapid trigger. Here's how we're judging it. No fluff, just what matters. Feel and build. Quality, stabilizers, sound. Performance, actuation, rapid trigger, polling rate. Value, what you get for 79 bucks. First, the feel and build. The A68 is a 65% layout, 68 keys. That means you get dedicated arrow keys, which is a huge win versus a 60% if you actually work on your PC. Inside, you've got an aluminum alloy plate, so it feels way more rigid than those cheap plastic boards. Now the big thing, this is Hall effect, magnetic switches, no metal contacts, so the press feels smoother, like there's less friction. Stabilizers come pre-lubed and they feel solid, especially the spacebar, which doesn't have that annoying rattle. And the sound? I'd call it clacky, but refined, because the silicone layers help kill that hollow echo. Now performance. This is where Hall effect keyboards can actually change how you move in FPS. You can set the actuation from 0.1 millimeters all the way to 3.4. At 0.1, it's so sensitive that, bro, you could sneeze near the key and it activates. For gaming, I recommend starting around 0.5 millimeters. It feels fast, but still controllable. The crown jewel here is rapid trigger. On a normal mechanical keyboard, there's a fixed point where the key has to travel back before it resets. With rapid trigger, the reset happens basically the moment you lift your finger. In games like Valorant or CS2, that matters for counter-strafing, stopping your character instantly so your shots are accurate. When the keyboard resets faster, your movement feels tighter, and that translates into cleaner stops. On top of that, it supports 8,000 Hz polling, the ultra-fast tier versus the standard 1,000. And after a few hours, I'll be honest, it feels hyper-responsive. The biggest surprise for me was how immediate movement stops felt, like your character reacts the instant you release. Alright, who is this actually for? Buy it if you play competitive FPS and you want faster resets for movement control. If you want Hall effect performance without paying premium prices, and if you want a compact board but still need arrow keys. Skip it if you mainly type for work and you don't care about rapid trigger. If you want the most polished software experience, because the software here can feel a bit basic compared to big brands. Or if you're extremely picky about sound and you don't want to tweak anything. And again, if you're still choosing between mechanical and Hall effect, watch my breakdown next. That decision alone can save you from buying the wrong keyboard for your use. Now the Dual Core Bros verdict. 3 picks, no confusion. Best for FPS. If your goal is FPS movement control, Valorant, CS2, this is easily one of the strongest options at the price. Set actuation around 0.5, turn on rapid trigger, and it feels locked in. Best value. Best for most people. For most gamers who want one keyboard that's compact, has arrow keys, and feels premium for the money, this is a solid all-rounder. The trade-off is mainly the software being a bit basic, but it gets the job done. If you want the full explanation of mechanical versus Hall effect, so you never buy the wrong type again, watch that video next. And if you want more don't waste money gaming gear reviews, subscribe.